This is a short video tutorial for how to cook mild coffee with air. Coffee is naturally acidic. The acid can be lowered by the oxygen from the air. Oxidated coffee or air coffee is very popular in South Asia, and it has many names. It is called air coffee, Vietnamese coffee, coffee luwak, or Malay coffee. The basic idea behind this style of coffee is to mix the coffee with air by shifting coffee from one coffee can to another coffee can. After the oxidation process, the coffee can be reheated in a microwave in 1 or 2 minutes. It can be also served with ice or ice cream, like it is done traditionally in the hot South Asian regions. Mixing coffee with air is very time consuming and is not necessary today because there are other ways to achieve the same mild coffee effect. The same effect of mixing coffee with oxygen from the air can be done with a blender or mixer, or a small drip filter, which is often used by the people in Vietnam. So for this preparation technique, you'll just pour in brewed coffee into a mixer or a blender and then mix it with oxygen and the air for 3 minutes or 5 minutes very mildly, and then reheat it and serve it or drink it. The expensive Italian and French coffee machines use air bubbles to achieve the same soft coffee effect, but those machines cost 10,000 to 20,000 and are usually found in popular coffee bars. Alternatively, there are cheap drip coffee machines that use the air to surround each individual drop of coffee with air to make it more soft and mild. At any rate, there are many ways to cook air coffee. You have to look into your own kitchen and see what you have and what you can use to mix coffee with air and oxygen. So the soft coffee can be nice if it is prepared properly. Some of the benefits of the mild coffee are that the mild coffee can improve energy levels during cold days of the winter. Mild air coffee can increase metabolism and burn fat faster, which will also decrease life to some degree, because higher metabolism means that life is shorter and the body is used up faster. Mild air coffee can improve physical performance for a short time. Mild air coffee can increase vitamin B levels to some minor degree because coffee contains vitamin B. Mild air coffee can reduce depression and make happy for a short time because some people feel happy when they drink coffee or when they smell coffee. Mild air coffee can improve digestion, which will make you poop and pee more often, which is great for people who have congestion. Mild air coffee can increase heart pressure on cold days, which is useful for older people during the winter. Mild air coffee can increase life expectancy because it has antioxidants. These antioxidants are probably reduced during the mixing of the air and coffee because the coffee is oxidated, but are still present to some degree. Those antioxidants are also present in mixed tea blends. You have to use mixed tea because it has a much larger amount of those antioxidants. At any rate, enjoy your coffee and thank you for supporting the Creative Commons movement. Have fun!